What's up, curl gang? I'm gonna show you guys what I do with my hair when I don't feel like doing anything at all. You know, those lazy girl hairstyles or lazy guy hairstyles. Something simple and it's unisex. Anybody can do it. If you don't like to do your hair, this is something that you might actually really like. Stay tuned. Things you're gonna need. First, we're gonna unravel our hair, and then we're gonna put in our leave-in conditioner. We're gonna make sure I'm moisturizing it. Then we're gonna go in with our hair oil. I'm using the Creole Royal hair growth oil. This is amazing. You guys should definitely try that. Now I'm sectioning out my hair, trying to make sure that it's easy for me to detangle and do what I need to do. Now you start your braid. You don't have to make it perfect. Honestly, I never make my braids perfect because I already don't know how to do hair. So I do the best that I can. Now you see me starting on a new section. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just do the best that you can. And you're already going to be putting it up in a style that you won't even need to have it perfect. I had to cut out some parts because this video was going to be like about 20 minutes of me actually doing my hair. So I didn't want it to be this long. I just wanted you guys to see the process and how I did it. You see, now we're almost towards the end. Now you see me parting my hair, trying to part it. This is the part where I started actually getting frustrated because it wasn't going the way that I wanted it to go. I did eventually try to use my edge brush, which also had like the sharp part at the bottom. You see, I'm frustrated, look. But we eventually got to the end. This is awesome. Look at how my hair looks like. And this is how I ended up styling it. See, that's why you don't have to worry about the parting because you can't really see it. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.